Hindi na, ito na.
Ano gusto? Tambora. What's Ed?
Nalaro ko si Kain.
On.
Sir, sa kabilang side ka, Kaloy. Kayo na magro-rotate.
Tambora. Yan. Rebound by Bob. Kasi
Ayun siya.
Nako. Ito.
Boy Scout ako
Boy
eh.
Scout siya. Rebound by Nel.
Tira! Yan!
Bam! Give the ball. Bam, pass the ball to Jan. Nice layup by Jan.
Sir, si Sid, ba't naglalaro si Sid?
Nasa Pilipinas.
Si Sid?
Oo.
Ano yung bakasyon? For good na pala si Sid. Kaya pala di ko na nakikita.
Jeric. Jeric.
Pass to him. To Ponce, to Edward. Still by Park.
By Parks. Again. Layup by Kaibigan. Rebound by Ponce. Rebound by Ponce. Pass. Parks. Rebound the ball by Parks. Pass the ball.
6 minutes ah. 6 minutes ah.
Time remaining, 6 minutes.
6 minutes ah.
Usap kayo.
Parks. Jump shot by Parks.
Na-practice na kanina yun eh. Lugi.
2-0 in favor of white team. Drive up. Once intercept. Nailed by jump shot. Good. 2-1 score.
Diyan mo naman ang buhay. Diyan mo ang buhay.
Alive, alive.
Di, sir. Walang buhay.
Kaibigan. Rebound the ball by Kaibigan. So Jay, attempt for 3. Rebound by Pons. And then,
Nice.
nice one.
All two.
All two. Score.
Naglaro ko, wala ako nun ah. Naglaro ka doon nakaraan.
Wala ako doon. Hindi totoo yun. Pars, Kaibigan.
Tinambakan daw kayo eh.
Oo. Lipier.
Kalating buwan. Isang buwan.
Lipier nga, Lipier. 89.
Wala.
Pons.
Focus para bukas.
Tambora. Penetrate. Pass to Pons.
Kaya nyo talon din sila yung bukas.
Derek. Tunel. Mahiya. Kaibigan. Pass the ball to Jan. Good. Rebound by Ponce. Tunel. Penetrate. Rebound by Ponce. Tambora.
Hindi nakatakbo si Parks. Lugi.
Black ball.
Foul.
Wow.
All two ah, all two.
Then, to Jeric.
Nice.
Nice one. 3-2. The score.
Last 3
Time remaining,
minutes.
9 minutes.
ka sa gitna. Pre!
Adonis, dribble the ball by Adonis.
Angat ka lang konti para may makitang pasahan.
Present by Jan. Itong kaibigan, layup.
Yes, sir!
All three.
Yan, angat ka ng konti, oh. Angat!
Black ball. White ball. White ball.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Bob.
Foul.
Foul by Tabora.
Jeric.
Time remaining 1 minute and 22 seconds. Bob.
Sir, lobat na, sir.
Wala?
Bob to Ryan. Nice shot
Dito,
by
sir.
Kaibigan. Score 4-3. White in favor of
Last 1 minute, ha?
last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute ulit.
Ponce. Kapagkasahan to Boss Ed. Jump shot by Boss Ed.
Ponce, jump shot na Ponce.
Rebound by Sir Bob.
Bob Marley. Dribbling the ball. Looking to pass
to
to Ray Parks. Ray Parks,
jump.
easy shot. No good.
No good. Jay, fade away. Jeric. Pass to Boss Ed. Nem, penetrate. Pass to Ponce. Back to Nem. To Jeric. Good. Rebound by Jay. Bob. Mabilis. Nice shot by Bob.
5 seconds.
5 seconds remaining. 4,
3, 2,
1, 0.
change course.
Change. Score 5-3. White. In favor of White.
Ano bola?
Loy.
Sino palit? Kaya maglalaro ba kayo dyan?
Yo, sino pa pasok? Lalabas na to.
Sige. Initin mo, hindi lalabas lahat ng ano.
Ano, start ha? Start.
Okay.
Tuloy lang yung video.
Ponce.
Shooter!
Got.
Bam na.
Jump shot by Tabora.
Nice one.
Nice one by
Nice.
Tabora.
Score ha? Ikaw sa score, ako cameraman.
4-5.
Patay na kay Bob yan. Papabayaan yan.
Ponce.
Same ball. Pause mo natin, pause.
Okay. Kaibigan, Bob. Back to Kaibigan. Kaloy to Jay.
Kakain na.
Nice
Nice
shot by
shot.
Jay. Score 6-4. Ponce. Dribble the ball by Ponce.
Pre,
Balik ka din! Bam na!
Tabora.
Nice shot by Tabora. Score 5-6.
Parks, red door siya, Parks ha.
Park. To Sir Bob. Back to Park. Jay.
Pass to Jay. Nice pass. Nice pass.
Nice shot by Jay.
Ganda.
7-5.
Sino lamang? Ginebra? San Miguel?
Time remaining 6 minutes and 27 seconds.
Oh, ito. Bam na. Nice one.
7-6.
Tumanggap ka ng bola. Tumanggap ka ng bola para mawala ang patong mo.
Patay na. Patay na. Long to.
9-6 is the score.
In favor of
In
black team.
favor of white team.
White team ba yun? White team pala.
Ponce, naghanap ng mapapasahan. To Boss Ed, back to Ponce, to Nem, to Jeric.
Na, oy! Put back again. It's
Nice
good.
put back by Jeric. 7-9. Kaibigan. Kaibigan. Penetrate.
Nice.
Nice shot by Kaibigan. Score, 10-6. Time remaining, 5 minutes and 19 seconds. So Jeric. Jeric. To Nem. Nem.
Patay na. Hook shot eh.
Score, 10-8.
Pero 3 seconds na yun. 3 seconds yan.
Tanggap niya sa gagawin.
Panglaro lang talaga yung mga ano, pangkalsada lang talaga yung mga ano. Ang lakas nun.
Ponce. To Nem. 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 To Ponce.
Black ball. White ball.
White ball.
White ball.
Baba.
Labas, labas, labas!
Too soon. Time remaining, 4 minutes. Kaibigan. Kaibigan. Dribble the ball by Kaibigan. To Aloy. Aloy penetrate to Jay.
Bitawan ng bola.
Jay penetrate. Back. In for 3. Good. Rebound by Boss Ed. To Ponce. Ponce.
Hindi ko lang nakita. Hindi. Hindi.
Jay to Boss Ed. Nice shot
Nice.
by Boss Ed. Score 10-9 in favor of white, 1 point. Kaibigan. Kaibigan, dribble the ball by Kaibigan. To Kaloy. Jeric.
Nice.
By Kaloy. Score 11-9.
Last 3 minutes.
3 minutes remaining.
Dos.
Shot by Boss Ed. Jan. Jan, dribble the ball by Jan. To Kaloy.
Nice pass.
Pass by Jan.
Tik na di makita sa camera.
12-9. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 minutes. Yan. Kaibigan. Kaibigan. Sabay kaibigan. 39. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
13.
10 na, oh. 9. Ano tayo nagsimula?
9:20.
Mga 9:20.
Mga 9:20.
Bob. Rebound by Bob. Hindi inamot.
Lolo kayo guys, if I go. Kung Red Doors yun, inabot yun. Good.
Good.
Isa pa. Poster shot.
14-9 score. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds. White lead by 5 points. Kanem.
Walang ilalim.
Kaloy. Tabora. Nice shot by Tabora. Time remaining 40 seconds.
40 seconds.
40 seconds. Score 14-10. White in favor. 4 points.
Kaloy. Oy, nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ulit.
Ito Bab. Bab, aim for 2. That's good.
Black ball. Last 10 seconds.
10 seconds. 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2,
1. And